Welcome to the Shady place. I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Thoretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country. In this episode, we discover fan boats for the first time, do some boondocking at a local fishing spot, and go kayaking on the Withlacoochee Bay.
So we're on the road. We left Key Largo yesterday right after sunset, and we drove for about 4 hours until we hit a rest area, and we spent the night there. We are going to be staying at a primitive campsite. It's a free campsite. It's called Potts Reserve. Oh boy, that's a big bump.
About this in the brochure.
Big bumps, big potholes on the road. Just take her slow, nice and easy, doing good. So we made it to the Potts Reserve. We'll be staying here for 2 nights. Let me go ahead and give you a little tour of the campsite. It's pretty secluded. Got a nice little open field. Rusty's gonna take a couple of sniffs to get to know the area. What you think, Rusty? How about that? Fresh water at primitive camping. All right. I think today we're gonna maybe do some hiking, venture around to see what this place is all about. There's like a bunch of trucks that it sounds like they're mud bogging, like across the field over there. I'm not exactly sure, but I don't know what's going on, but I'm a little bit curious. I'm gonna go see what's going on. So this right here is the map for the Potts Preserve, and if you see, we are here at the primitive camping, and the trucks, or whatever the noise is actually in this area, which is the hunting area. If you can hear them, it's fan boats. That's what they are. Shay looked them up online. I guess that's what you do in Florida when you get off of work. Or maybe it's a tour or something like that. Are you ready to do some hiking? You ready for some hiking?
We are at Potts Wildlife Management Area, managed with Southwest Florida Water Management District. It's a lot of managing, but they handle it.
Just kind of taking a nice little stroll. Nothing too exciting, just to get away from the RV a little bit. These trees are just beautiful, aren't they? So it's like 6:40 something in the morning, and it just started pouring. So we are hustling our bustles and we are getting out of here, baby. Shay's outside filling her up with water. We're gonna pack her up and we're gonna dip out. It stopped raining and I'm happy. I'm sorry if I had a little bit of a panic face there. I wanted to get her out of the rain because I do not want her to get stuck. Oh my goodness.
We got out of there just in case.
It's better to be safe if I got a little, let's go! But I don't want to get her stuck. I love our home. She's my girl. She takes us everywhere. We just ate some lunch. We stopped at the Walmart and kind of ate lunch in the parking lot. But now we are on our way to Bird Creek Boat Ramp. It's about 45 minutes away. So let's go see what it is. So we're at the campsite. We're at Bird Creek Boat Ramp. She's over there. Rusty's sniffing. There's the RV. She's parked kind of on the side of the road. But we've got a really good view of the water here. It's a perfect place to launch off the kayak. I'm hoping to do some kayaking tomorrow.
Easy, buddy, easy.
After talking to the law officer, we decided to move further down a little bit because he said it was okay for us to be here, and I was a little bit worried because I didn't want to get, in trouble with the locals or whatever. So we went ahead and we moved down a little bit. Give you a little frame here. So this way we're not really tucked into the corner that much, and we're also a little bit further away from the road, which is nice. But yeah, so this will be our spot for the next couple of nights. This is a really good fishing spot. I should probably mention that. If you're a boondocker and you really like to fish, I would check this place out. Good job! So we were just about to go out on the kayak. I packed a lunch and everything. And it started to rain, but in Florida, it like rains for a little bit and then just passes right by. It's actually really nice. But the wind has picked up a lot. So we got the kayak set up and the paddleboard pumped up and we are ready. You excited, Shay? Yeah. Rusty, this way, honey. Come on. He's a water dog. Surf's up. But it's worth it. Made it back. It's quite a paddle. Whew. There's Thoretta. We're gonna go ahead and paddle on up there and see what Shay's doing. Oh? It's a little rainy day in paradise, huh?
Yep. So we snuck out earlier and we got a little paddle in. Took the dog out to a little island over yonder, and Katie made some peanut butter and jelly heart-shaped sandwiches like that.
Happy Valentine's Day! All right, so we are packing her up and we are headed out. We're going to be heading out to Flying Eagle Preserve. I think it's about an hour away from here. It'll be a little change of scenery, more in the woods than on the beach, but it looks really pretty. I'm hoping to see a lot of wildlife there. That's what they were saying on the reviews. But yeah, and maybe do some kayaking through the cypress trees. That would be cool.
Have a good one.